Alright, man, YouTube, what's going, man? It's your boy Trap Extra coming at y'all with another video, man. In today's video, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be telling y'all boys how y'all can afford a SRT or just any car y'all want in general. Now listen up, bro. Come on, don't pull out, bro. So listen up, y'all boys. So I want y'all boys to comment down below real quick what y'all dream car is and what's y'all dream car that y'all really want bad. Like, comment that down below. Flood the comments. I want everybody who watched this video to comment down below what your dream car is. But anyways, let's get straight into the video. I'm not gonna do too much talking. And also, bear with me for this video because this video will not have no cuts. It's gonna be a straightforward video. So listen, so about a year ago, I started off with a V6 Challenger. Now listen, if you got a V6 right now, bro, don't be ashamed of your V6, bro. I came from a V6 too, bro. It's nothing to be ashamed of, bro. I had a V6 Challenger and I paid about $17,000 for it, but I financed it. My dad actually co-signed for me. Well, he didn't co-sign. My dad got that car for me basically, cause I didn't have credit for real. So he got that car for me, and I was just paying the monthly payments for it. Like, I was paying everything else myself. I put the down payment down. I was making the monthly payments myself and everything. So I had that car for about a year, and I was like, bro, a V6 is cool, bro, but it's like, bro, it's time for an upgrade, bro. Like, I need something faster. This is way faster than a V6, bro. I'm not gonna lie. You should know that if you know about cars. But listen, I was paying on that for about a year straight. I was paying like $300 a month for that car for about a year straight, just to get the feel of how payments works and how to actually be responsible with my money. That way I know how to make payments on time and do all of that. So yes, I was paying on that car for like a year straight, making my payments and doing all of that. And then starting in about February or March, I decided to launch my own servers. If y'all don't know what servers is, it's like a Discord server. I own 2 gambling Discord servers. So if y'all want to learn how to gamble or make money online gambling, if you're into sports or whatever, DM me on IG at TrapRay and I'll get y'all boys in my servers. You know what I'm saying? So I own about 2 servers, right? And I charge $15 a month for one of them. And I have about 500 members in there. So I'm not too sure about the math off the top of my head, but I know it's a good amount of money. I know I'm making very good amount of money. I'm not gonna say how much I actually make, but I make a good amount of money off my servers. So I own one of those servers, and then I own another server that I charge $5 a month for, and I got about 1,200 members in there. So you combine both of them together, it's close to about 10 figures a month. I'm not gonna lie. I could have got a Hellcat if I wanted to, but I don't know, because it's risky, bro. I could easily fall off my servers or anything like within a quick second. So that's why I decided to just get a Scat for about this car was about $33,000. I believe I put $8,000 down on this car, and my monthly payments aren't that expensive. I'm gonna get to that in a little bit, but my monthly payments aren't that expensive. So I put that down, and I didn't really care about putting it down because at the end of the day, bro, my bank account, I'm not gonna say how much I got in my bank account, but I got a pretty good amount of money in my bank account to where it's like, if I wanted to pay this car off tomorrow, I could go do that. You know what I'm saying? But why would you don't want to just buy a car straight cash, because that does nothing for your credit. And I'm young. I'm only 19. Like, I'm young, bro. So I need to build credit. So I did that, and now I'm just paying my monthly payment, which, okay, I'm gonna give you my monthly payment. My monthly payment for this car is $520 a month. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell y'all how I got that low of a payment. Now, this may not work for everybody, but this worked for me. So basically what I did for that whole year while I had that V6 Challenger, I was building my credit that whole time. Like, the whole time I was opening up credit cards. I was doing credit builders. I was doing everything to get my credit up. So I got a pretty good credit history right now. So basically what I did with that was I built it that for a year, and then I decided to apply for the SRT, bro, because I always knew I wanted an SRT. Well, not really. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't want this car, bro. I wanted a Corvette instead, bro. But Corvettes are just so hard to find down here, and the ones that I do find down here are like $50,000, bro. Like, if I'm gonna pay $50,000 for a Corvette, I might as well just get the Z06, and that's just for the base model Corvettes. They're like $50,000. So I'm like, bro, I might as well get a Z06, but a Z06 is around $60,000 to $70,000 for a Z06. So I was like, I'm not paying that much for a Z06 yet. I'm gonna just get this car, build it, pay it off, and sell this car eventually, and then just go get a Z06 with a down. I'll just use this car as a down payment. So this is what I started with. It's a Scatpack. Well, I started with a V6, then I upgraded. Now I'm in a Scatpack, and then my future goals by next year is to get a Z06 Corvette. Now, So yeah, so I put oh shit, the police right there, y'all boys. The police right there. The police right there. Hold up, y'all boys. I told y'all boys I'm doing no cuts in this video. As y'all boys can see, the police are like right in front of me, right there, as y'all can see. And I ain't gonna lie, I ain't trying to get no tickets. I ain't gonna lie. So yeah, basically I'm paying for this car monthly. It's not that expensive, I'm not gonna lie. Not for me, because of the fact that it just depends on how much money you're bringing in every month. Now, I'm bringing in a good amount of money every month to where it's like I'm comfortable making my car payment. I could pay this little $500 payment and not see a big dent in my bank account after making my payments. So this car it's not like a deal breaker for me. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm comfortable paying this car payment. And another police right there, bro. They're just everywhere today, bro. Hell nah. So yes, I do pay on this car monthly. You know what I'm saying? I'm paying around $520 a month. My car insurance for this car is only $235 a month. So altogether, I'm paying $735. Well, more than that. It's like $750 a month, which is not bad because of the fact of, well, it's not bad for me because I have no bills right now. Even though I'm planning to move out very soon. You know what I'm saying? Planning to move out this year. Oh my God, a squirrel. I'm not trying to run him over. I'm planning to move out this year. So, you know, my bills aren't bad right now. I'm sorry if y'all hear my voice, bro. My voice is fucked up right now. I've been screaming too much. So yes, this is how much I pay for this car as of right now. It's not a lot, bro. It's very affordable for me. I mean, if you have a good job that's paying you very good, bro, you can't afford this car, bro. It's not crazy. As long as you come with a good down payment and you got some good credit history, bro, you can afford this car, bro. It's not like the most I used to look at these cars like, bro, there's no way I'm ever getting this car, bro. Like 6 months ago, before I was starting my service, bro, I just went to look at a RT, bro. I looked at a RT, a regular RT, not a Scatpack, a RT, bro. They told me $8,000 down, bro. I looked at that dude, the dealership man, and I was like, bro, what? $8,000 down, bro? How am I gonna get that amount of money? And then 6 months later, bro, I could have bought this SRT straight cash if I wanted to. Like, you know, like you just gotta find out ways to make yourself some money to where you're comfortable. Even if you got a 9-to-5 job, that's still good, bro. Like, nothing is wrong with a 9-to-5, bro. You just gotta know how to use your 9-to-5 job, bro. If you can work a 9-to-5 job and start up a little side hustle on the side that could bring you in about an extra about $3,000, $4,000 a month, plus your 9-to-5 bringing you about $3,000, $2,500 a month, boom, bro, you're making $5,000, $6,000 a month off rip like that, bro. Like, you can afford a car like this. You can afford a car and an apartment or a house if you wanted to, if you're making that amount of money. You just got to know how to really utilize your time and make the most out of your time to afford what you want in life. If you want something bad enough, you're going to find a way to get it. So I found a way to get whatever I want, bro. So now that I'm comfortable with this, well, let me explain something. So I had the V6 Challenger. I was paying $300 a month, and I was realizing, bro, I'm making a shit ton of money. Like, I'm not here to flex. Use me as motivation, bro. 6 months ago, I didn't know how the fuck I was gonna get this car. I'm not here to flex about how much money I make, but I'm just saying I make a shit ton of money now. So it's like me making that amount of money plus me only paying $300 a month for a car payment, bro. I was getting too comfortable with how I was living, bro. Like, I was paying my $300 car payment, going out to eat, like eating whatever the fuck I wanted, spending all my money on fast food, buying clothes, buying shoes, buying stupid shit, bro. So what I did was, I was like, bro, I'm too comfortable. So I spent $8,000 on a down payment for this, and now I'm paying $700 a month, including my insurance. So altogether, I'm paying $700 a month. So it's more of a responsibility for me, which is going to push me even more to make even more money now. That's how I work around things, and that's how I live. I don't know if it's the same for you, but with me, I like to make myself uncomfortable, bro. Living life, when you're comfortable, you won't get nowhere, bro. You're just going to stay in the same spot. You got to live uncomfortable, bro. So that's how I like to live, bro. And I know a lot of people don't want to take that risk, but sometimes in life, bro, you have to take a risk to get to the next step. So that's what I did with this car. And now I'm just praying that I'm working. I'm not just praying or I'm not just manifesting. I'm working as I'm manifesting and praying, bro. I'm praying that I get to the next step, and I'm working on it, bro. So y'all boys just stay tuned. And I don't want to say what I got in store yet, but I do have something in store. and y'all might be seeing it very soon. It's gonna be very big, bro. I have a whole gambling website that's in the works of being made right now. Just wait on it, bro. Once it's made and it's taking off, y'all gonna see it, bro. So I'm just letting y'all boys know, you gotta work, bro. You gotta work for everything you want, bro. Nothing in life is given to you, bro. You gotta work, bro. I just got lucky enough to have a co-signer. I'm not gonna, even if my dad didn't co-sign, I could have still got the car if I wanted to. But I'm just lucky enough to have a great dad to where it's like he's willing to help me and like help me. I know some people like, oh, you have your parents help you with everything, bro. I'm sorry. My father wants to help me. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. So yes, he did help me get this car because I asked him. I didn't like beg. I asked like one time. He was like, yeah, I'll do it. So I got the car with his cosign so I can pay a less cheaper payment. So that's what it is, bro. And that's how I afford this car. Yeah, bro. So my words of motivation before I end off this video is, bro, if you want a nice car and you want to afford anything that you want in life, bro, just go work for it, bro. Don't be out here trying to steal people's cars, do all that hate and shit, hating on people for having a nicer car than you, hating on people. Like, bro, don't do that, bro. I'm not that type of person, and I hope nobody who watching this video is that type of person, because that shit gets you nowhere in life besides jail, bro. You go steal somebody's car that they worked hard for, bro, like, not jail, but, bro, if you steal my car, bro, I'm just going to call my insurance company and I'm going to get a Hellcat. So, like, I just hope people who steal cars really understand the fact that you can steal a car, but at the end, bro, you're just helping out that person, bro. Like, I have full coverage on my car. You steal my car, I'm going to get a Hellcat. Like, so it is what it is, bro. You gotta know how to work for what you want in life, bro. Nothing is given to you, bro. And if you're trying to take the easy way out in life, bro, I promise you that shit will never work, bro. Nothing in this life is easy, bro. You gotta work for everything you want. I hope somebody from watching this video can use this as motivation and get the car that they really want. And if you do, and you got some motivation from this video, please DM me after you get your car so I can congratulate you, bro. Like, I'm not a hater at all, bro. Like, if you get a Hellcat, bro, a nicer car than me, bro, I will congratulate you, bro. Like, respectfully, bro. I was never born or raised to be a hater. So if you got a nice car, bro, just let me know and I'll congratulate you, bro. Like, I love everybody. I love all these cars, bro. Like, cars is like the sweet spot to my goddamn heart, bro. So if you got a nice car, bro, just let me know, bro. Like, I'll fuck with it. But yes, that is how I got this car, bro. I'm gonna be dropping POV videos and more build videos. I'm about to actually wrap my rims black. So if y'all want a video on that, just comment down below and I'm gonna drop a video on that. And I'm sorry for all the and the likes and a stuttering in this video, bro. I'm sorry I did this video with no cuts, bro. I try to keep my videos as real as possible with no cuts, no edits, no nothing. So with that being said, man, that's going to close out today's video. I hope y'all boys have a great fucking day, and I hope y'all boys can work for whatever y'all want in life, and I hope y'all boys get whatever y'all want in life. And with that being said, man, it's been your boy Trap Extra, and I'm out, bro.